Okay, part 2 of thinking about bats, and then they appeared out of... there they are! Oh my god! Did you see them? Did you see them? They're eating the mosquitoes. I'm super excited. Okay. I'm happy they're still here. Haven't seen them. Hear the frogs. Such a beautiful spring day. The birds have been out. Had the sprinkler system on. They're eating the bugs. Eating the seed. Such a beautiful evening in the Garden of Eve. There goes another bat. Oh my god. Maybe that one was a bird. I don't know. They live somewhere up there in Mama Oak. I'm pretty sure that's where they came out of. She's huge. The one behind her also has a hole in it though. I think they came... I think they came out of here. That might have been a bird. Oh, no, that's a bat for sure. There's lots for them to eat. There's a drain pond back there. Pretty cool. Oh, there they go, there they go. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in some. Maybe we can get a better look at them. They were getting close. Oh, the kitty's getting excited. And I spotted some cute little critter out here the other night. Was sitting in my chair. I had left my blanket outside. And I came out and I was like, oh, look, the kitty's sitting by my chair. And there was a tiny little critter inside. I'm not sure. At first I thought it was a squirrel, but it was definitely not a squirrel. So I haven't solved the mystery of it. It almost looks like a little prairie dog. Could be a furry gopher, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. He was so beautiful, so beautiful. I haven't seen him again.